In this video I'm gonna show you how to change and enable your color tuner on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the home button on our pilot. It's located right here. And now in order to navigate this menu, you will need to press the arrows in the middle of your pilot. So now let's navigate to the settings and then press the right key to move to the system. Press OK when the system is highlighted and then instantly move to the left. Now go down and find advanced settings and then press OK. Here go to the color tuner and press OK. Now in order to enable it, we'll need to press the right key and then press it again. So right now it's enabled and we're able to change the hue colors, the colors and the brightness. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.